This final poem is called The Firework. If there's anybody I've forgotten, many apologies. I don't usually write things about ecology and stuff like that. I leave that to other people, but this is called The Firework, and you can take the firework for whatever what you want it to be. It mentions two small boys, and if you want to imagine them as Putin and Obama, is that his name? Then I wouldn't argue with you. This is called The Firework. It's the last poem, and thank you very much. And there will be music later. Myself and Andy Jones from Boys from the Hill. The Firework. Two small boys with a firework, each with a fuse, exploding the hills of Japan and the sands of Africa. They gathered kindle to build a fire, trees from the Amazon and grass from the tundra. Around the flames to keep them safe, stones from the pyramids and rocks from the Gobi. And when all was consumed, they doused down the embers with water from the fjords and shards from an iceberg. Later, they forged iron, white hot to make tins to collect our money as we collect pebbles. Thank you.